Hey guys, welcome back to my channel again. It's Itsladylondon here of Signature Plus. So welcome to those who are watching me for the first time. My name is Itsladylondon. I talk about skincare, lifestyle, beauty, fashion, and everything in between. I don't do makeup though, but everything else, yeah, I do. So welcome again, those who have been watching me for a while and they're still watching me. Thank you guys. I love you guys. Thank you. If you're watching me for the first time, please definitely subscribe, like this video, and turn on your notification button so you know when I drop the next video. All right. And with that being said, we'll move on. But before we do that, I just want to take a sip of my coffee. My coffee. I love coffee, guys. I drink this every morning, like every day. I don't know if it's a good or a bad thing, but I don't think coffee is bad for you, right? Because, I drink lots of water to counteract any dehydrating effects that coffee might cause. And that leads us to our video today. So the topic for today is water. Oh my God, I know you guys have heard this before. I've heard it so many times, and for the longest time I was like, okay, it's really not that important, but it's important to me. For too many reasons. I drink lots of water. One of the reasons is skin moisture, because you want to hydrate your cells. Your body is made up of water, right? Your body is made up of a lot of water, so you want to nourish that water in your body. You pee all the time. Have you noticed whether you drink water or not, you're still peeing? I've noticed that whether I drink water or not, you pee. So your body is losing water. You definitely want to replenish that water. And what we've heard over the years is drinking 8 to 10 glasses of water a day. I usually do 3 gallons. Oh my God, not 3 gallons. I do 3 liters of water every day. Sometimes I might miss my mark and do like maybe 2 liters or 2 liters and a half, but I make sure I get my water in. It is very, very, very important. Okay, you can drink any kind of water you want, but over the years, I transitioned into drinking only alkaline water. I drink alkaline water. I'm not gonna drop a brand right now because no sponsorship on that one right now. So drink lots of water. If you want to drink alkaline water, it's really good for you. And what I notice when drinking alkaline water is it stays in your body longer. Test this out. Drink regular water and try to go about your day and see how quickly you pee that water out. And then on a different day, drink alkaline water and pay attention to when you actually need to use the bathroom. Because I noticed that when I started drinking alkaline water, like I didn't need to use the bathroom as frequently as I used to. So it stays in your body longer, nourishing your cells. Because some of the other water we drink is like we drink it and we just pee it out. At least that's what I noticed, and that's the biggest change I noticed when I started drinking alkaline water. All right, so you definitely want to nourish your body with lots of water. You don't need to drink like 3 liters of water or anything like that, but just try to stick to your 8 to 10 glasses of water a day. There are different sweeteners out there that you can, sweeten your water if you're not used to drinking like just plain water, to try to make it taste good. You can put lime in it, you can put lemon in it, you can put lots of berries in it just to make it taste good and infuse those nourishments into your water, like lemon, berries, strawberry, and this is infused into your water and you drink tasty water. So if that's what you need to do, please do what you need to do. Just make sure you get in your water every day. All right, I hope this has helped you. These are some of the things we can do, guys, to nourish our skin. And you need to, if you have not watched the previous videos I've posted in regards to this, please go watch it, because you need to do those other things as well, not just drinking water. All right, love you guys. Hope you subscribe, hit that notification button, like this video, and I'll see you guys later.